Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos from chapati, the only way. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh chapati, your favorite cheese, and any toppings you desire, like salsa or jalapenos. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, take each chapati and cut it into 8 triangular pieces. This size is perfect for scooping up all those tasty toppings. Lay them out on a baking sheet, ready for the next step. Once your chapati triangles are cut, arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure they aren't overlapping so they can crisp up evenly. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel perfectly crispy. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. As soon as they come out of the oven, sprinkle them with a pinch of salt for extra flavor. Now for the fun part, assembling your nachos. Take about half of your freshly baked chapati chips and spread them evenly across an oven-safe dish. This forms your first delicious layer. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite shredded cheese over the chips. Feel free to add some of your chosen toppings here too, like black beans or corn. Then, repeat this layering process with the remaining chapati chips and more cheese and toppings. With all your layers in place, it's time for the final bake. Pop your dish back into the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once they are out, garnish your hot nachos with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or a scoop of creamy guacamole. These chapati nachos are a fantastic, unique twist on a classic. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.